everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very bright, vibrant floral design that anybody can paint. If you can hold a paintbrush, you can paint this design. I'm using FolkArt paints, using lime green, magenta, and vivid orange. So it's just 3 colors. Very affordable and easy. Alright, the brushes I'm using, and I will put links down below if you'd like to purchase through my affiliate links, you're welcome to do so. I'm using 2 Amagic round brushes, a number 16 and a number 8. Deerfoot Stippler, a number 10. And my scrawny fine liner by Westonia. It's actually a fingernail brush. Alright, so I've cleaned this glass bottle, and this is the glass bottle that I've been using for a lot of my videos this year, just so that I can show you the designs and wipe them off and start again. Just makes it easy. Alright, so we are going to begin by using the Deerfoot Stippler. I'm just going to stick it into the vivid orange, just get it covered, and then just keep reloading as I need to. I'm just doing a quick little, I guess you want to call like a stipple for the centers right now. And there you have it. Very easy. I'm going to pick up the number 8 round brush. I'm just going to get it full of paint, just kind of turning my brush. It's just going to be a single color. Again, very simple. When I come through here, I'm just going to push it down, pull it up, push it down, pull it up. If I get into the center, not a biggie. And then just push it down, pull it up. If you want to fill this in more, you can go back over it. I'm, for the purpose of this video, just going to do 1 coat. But again, as you know, if you watch my videos, the thicker your paint is, the more durable it will be. However, when you're doing a bottle like this, it's not going to be handled much. It's just a home decor piece. So it's not as important for it to have a good coat of paint like a glass would be if you're doing a drinking glass. Alright, so again, just pushing it down, pulling it up. Pushing it down, pulling it up. Very simple. And you can make an odd amount of leaves. You can, they don't all have to be the same. It's just how it works out as to how I'm doing it. So just very loose and easy. So I'm going to go back here, put some more paint into my Deerfoot Stippler, and then I'm just going to come back and just do a quick little pounce. Might pull up some paint from the center or from the flowers to the center. Not a big deal. Again, I want this to be loose and very simple. I'm going to take my liner brush, put it into the lime green. I just stick it in, pull it out. I just kind of roll it as I pull it out. Going to come through here, put in my stem. Everything today is just going to be a single color. I'm not doing any one stroke. I'm keeping it simple. Simple, simple, simple. If you want to add more color, feel free to do so. And of course, as I normally say, my designs are just meant to give you an idea of what can be done. So have at it, add to it, make it yours. Alright, so just kind of put a few little stems in here. Going to come back in with my number 16. Now you can use a different size. You can rinse out the brush you're already using and make the leaves the same size, but I'm just basically doing the same technique. I'm just pushing down and pulling right up. pushing down, pulling up. Again, just keeping it simple. It's not meant to be difficult. It's meant to be easy for beginners. Just to give you some ideas of things that can be created. You can use this design and make it a little bit more difficult. Add your own twist. Up to you. So I came back in, put some paint onto my liner brush, and all I'm going to do now is just come through and add like a little stem to each one. Just keeping it loose. Oops, I think I needed to go that way. Get a little confused. And I'm sorry for the background noise. It's my furnace. I was hoping that actually my air conditioning, hoping that I turned off the blower, but who knows? It's still running. Anyways, there you have it. Very quick, easy, and cute. I mean, I think it's very bright and cheery. I like it. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. Prior to leaving, if you would take a moment to share this on your social network with your family and friends, I would greatly appreciate that. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one. See you next time.